Jai Hind everyone. I'm Petty Officer Cadet Ustud Kaur from Carmel Convent School, 1 Chandigarh Naval Unit, and I wholeheartedly welcome you all to your very own YouTube channel. Kargil Vijay Divas. It is observed on 26 July every year and commemorates India's victory in the Kargil War of 1999 against Pakistan. This is a significant day and pays tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and resilience of the Indian Armed Forces who valiantly defended our nation's borders in the face of adversity and crisis. But the soldiers are not alone. Like, it is a team basically, a teamwork. The Army Welfare Association, or maybe it is basically, we can say, the army behind the army, which is a commendable institution and it is dedicated for well being and support of the military personnel and their families. Through various programs and initiatives, it has aimed to enhance the quality of life of those who serve our nation selflessly, from providing education for the children of soldiers to offering financial assistance during the time of need. The AVA stands as a pillar of support for our brave servicemen and women. Its unwavering commitment to the welfare reflects the gratitude and respect we owe to those who sacrifice so much to their country.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Twinkle Agarwal. Today, I am here to share my experience of Kargil War through the eyes of Dr. Ranjana Mehta. As it is rightly said, our Indian tricolor does not fly because the wind moves. It flies because of the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. And so, as Dr. Ranjana Malik told us, that how during the war she would receive soldiers who were severely wounded, and still they would just ask her, Ma'am, could we recover and join the army once again? And will we able to serve our nation? This Josh of the soldiers really touched me.
Jai Hind. This is CH22 JWN 332273 leading cadet Itisha Deswal of NCC Naval Wing, Carmel Convent School. So today I am going to share my heart-touching experience that I had experienced from the eyes of Dr. Ranjana Malik during the Kargil War. So it is an experience shared by her when she visited the hospitals and met the injured soldiers. So वहाँ पे एक 19 साल का यंग सोल्जर था जो कि अपने दोनों हाथ खो चुका था और जब डॉक्टर रंजना मलिक ने उससे पूछा दैट हाउ आर यू द सोल्जर सेड आई एम फाइन, मैं ठीक हूँ और मैं अपने देश के लिए बॉर्डर्स में जाके लड़ना चाहता हूँ. Despite losing both his arms, the soldier wanted to fight for his country. वो अपने भाइयों के साथ जाके अपने देश के लिए लड़ना चाहता था. This is known as the spirit of a soldier. ये होता है एक सिपाही का जज्बा.
Jai Hind. I'm Kirit Sahaj of Carmel Convent School of batch 2022 to 24. As a cadet, I've learned the value of service and sacrifice before watching the video about Dr. Ranjana Malik and the AVA during the Kargil War. I wasn't aware of the AVA's extensive role. Now I'm deeply moved by the dedication. She didn't sit back, rather, she took decisive action and became the president of AVA. And the little deed of kindness, which this showed, like sending 5,000 packets of sweets every week to the front lines and personally visiting the homes of martyred soldiers, showing that behind every soldier there's a network of strength and care. In a time without cell phones, when injured soldiers couldn't hear the family voices, the AVA's efforts spoke for them. They supported the families of the fallen, showing that their loved ones' sacrifices were meaningful. This isn't just a war story, it's about active care and support. Her actions changed lives. Inspired by her, I aim to give my best in serving and supporting others. Jai Hind.
Cadet Manya Kaur from NCC Naval Wing, Carmel Convent School, Chandigarh. Today I will be sharing my heartfelt feelings with you all after watching Dr. Ranjana Malik's video during Kargil War. एक फौजी के रुतबे से बड़ा कोई और रुतबा नहीं होता, वर्दी की शान से बड़ी कोई और शान नहीं होती और अपने देश से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता. But did you ever wonder that from where do our soldiers get all this strength and courage from? Well, the answer for sure is their families and wives. As I watched the video of Dr. Ranjana Malik during the Kargil War, I was moved by the depth of her commitment. It wasn't just her position as the president of the AVA that stood out, but it was actually her genuine care and concern for the soldiers at the front lines that resonated with me. The way she mobilized support and resources to ensure that our soldiers felt the warmth and connection of home, even in the harshest conditions, was truly inspiring. The packets of sweets and personalized cards might seem like small gestures, but they represented a powerful message of unity and solidarity. Witnessing her dedication, I felt a surge of pride and a renewed sense of respect for those who serve our nation so selflessly. It reminded me that behind every soldier's strength, there are countless unsung heroes like Dr. Malik offering unwavering support. Thank you.